Bol Bajrang Bali ki jai. That war cry echoes not just across battlefields, but through centuries of courage, sacrifice, and unbreakable spirit. Today, we dive into the story of one of the oldest and most fearless infantry regiments of the Indian Army, the legendary Rajput Regiment. From the battlefields of pre-independence wars to the intense combat of 1971 to modern counter-insurgency operations, these warriors have lived by one motto, Sarvatra Vijay, victory everywhere. But what makes this regiment so special? What stories lies behind their medals, their sacrifices, and their glory? Stay with me because this is not just history, this is legacy. The roots of the Rajput regiment go back to 1778 during the era of British Indian Army. It is one of the oldest infantry regiments, known for recruiting warriors from the proud Rajput clans, men raised with values of honor, bravery, and loyalty. After India's independence in 1947, the regiment became a proud part of the Indian Army. Its regimental center, located in Fatehgarh, stands as a symbol of tradition and sacrifice. The war memorial there, built in 1932, tells silent stories of countless heroes and their identity. Two crossed Rajputi Qatars symbolizing deadly precision and warrior pride. Every regiment has a soul. For the Rajput regiment, it lies in two powerful words, Sarvatra Vijay, victory everywhere, and their war cry, Bol Bajrang Bali ki jai, a call to Lord Hanuman, symbolizing strength, devotion, and fearless courage. This isn't just a slogan, it's a belief, a force that pushes soldiers forward even in the face of death. Now let's move to one of the most defining moments, the Indo-Pakistani War of 1971. On the Eastern Front, Rajput battalions were at the forefront of the offensive. One battalion led a fierce advance towards Fenchunganj and Kola Bells. What followed was brutal. Heavy fighting, close combat, massive resistance. The battalion suffered 90 to 100 casualties. Yet they did not stop. It is an extraordinary display of courage. They forced the surrender of Pakistan Army's 22nd Battalion, Baloch Regiment. For this action, they were awarded one Veer Chakra posthumous and two Sena medals. This wasn't just victory, it was dominance in the face of extreme sacrifice. Meanwhile, the 18th Battalion Rajput was tasked with the Akhora Ashuganj axis. Akhora was a nightmare. 3 days of intense combat, heavy resistance, but the Rajputs refused to fall back. After capturing Akhora, they moved with lightning speed. They seized the Titas Bridge intact, a strategic masterstroke. Then came Ashuganj, another tough battle, another victory. From there, they advanced to Narsingdi and finally entered Dhaka on 16 December 1971, the day Bangladesh was born. The 2nd Battalion Rajput operated in the Belonia Bulge, capturing Chaudargram and pushing forward Chittagong. On the Western Front, 20th Battalion advanced deep into Rajasthan, covering 70 km in just 5 days to reach Chachraw. 15th Battalion fought fiercely in Fazilka sector, battling for Beriwala Bridge and Ghazi Post. Here a hero emerged. Drigpal Singh, a Lance Nayak, displayed unmatched bravery. Even after being mortally wounded, he continued fighting. For his sacrifice, he was awarded the Mahavir Chakra posthumous. Other battalions like the 9th Rajput carried out raids, capturing enemy posts in Cham sector. Everywhere Rajputs went, victory followed. From the 1980s onwards, the Rajput regiment adapted to new challenges. They were deployed in Northeast insurgency operations, Punjab militancy, Jammu and Kashmir counter-terror missions. Several battalions became part of the Indian peacekeeping force in Sri Lanka. In 1999, during Kargil War, the 27th Battalion Rajput captured Point 5770, a crucial high-altitude objective. After Kargil, they even served in a United Nations mission in Ethiopia and Eritrea. From deserts to mountains to foreign lands, their excellence never stopped. The Rajput regiment's bravery is reflected in its incredible list of honors. Post-independence, 1 Paramveer Chakra, 3 Ashok Chakras, 7 Mahavir Chakras, 66 Veer Chakras, 313 Sena medals, and many more. These are not just awards, they are stories of blood, courage, and sacrifice. In 1990, a unique tradition began. The Indian Navy's destroyer INS Rajput was affiliated with the Rajput Regiment. Even though the ship was decommissioned in 2021, the bond remains a symbol of joint strength. Today, the regiment continues with 23 battalions ready for any mission, any terrain, any enemy. The Rajput Regiment is not just a military unit. It is tradition, it is pride, it is sacrifice. From 1778 to today, their story continues to inspire generations. So next time you hear Bol Bajrang Bali ki Jai, remember it's not just a war cry, it's the heartbeat of warriors who live and die for the nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.